Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Song Jin. Today I'm going to cook a very simple dinner, deep fried fish with turmeric. I have one piece of spotted sickle fish. This weighs about 700 grams, 3 pieces of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt. This is very simple and easy dinner. For the fish, I have cut and cleaned. This fish is quite huge. I just cut it like that, each side. Like that. For the fish, it's ready prepared, and now we want to prepare the turmeric. For the turmeric, I'm using fresh turmeric. If you do not have the fresh turmeric, you can use turmeric powder. It is okay. So since I'm using the fresh turmeric, I'm going to pound it first. To pound the turmeric, right, we don't want it to stain the mortar and pestle, so I'm going to put it in a plastic bag like that and put it in and just crush it. Alright, you see? Finish browning and the mortar and pestle is still clean. Alright, so we got the turmeric. Now we're going to marinate the fish. For the salt, you can just put according to your liking. So sometimes people like to put more salt. Tasty, right? Put all. Marinate the fish with salt. After marinate the fish with salt, now we're going to put the turmeric. If you don't want it to stain your hand, right, just do it through the plastic bag. So I'm just going to try to avoid staining my hand with the turmeric. So I'm just going to do like that. Put it inside the stomach and then just rub it with the turmeric. Okay, see, my hands have less stain. So the fish is marinated and now we can go and fry it. In the frying pan, I have heated the oil. I use a lot of oil for frying this fish because the fish is too big, right? And when we fry the fish, we need to make sure that it's submerged in the oil so it will be very nice and crispy. So that's why I'm using a lot of oil. You can use less oil if you want. Then we just need to flip the fish. So we're going to put in the fish. When you put a lot of oil in the pan, please be careful when you drop in the fish because the oil might splash and you might hurt yourself. We're going to fry it for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the fish is nice and crispy. After about 7 minutes, I'm going to flip the fish. And continue to cook for another 3 minutes. Alright, fish is ready. So now we're going to take it out and serve. Look at that. Woohoo! Nice and crispy. Switch off the heat. This kind of fried fish is best served with a lot of vegetable and sambal belacan or shrimp paste chili and all these boiled vegetable. Have it with rice. Oh my, delicious. Let's eat. Wow, so good. Need some vegetable. some fresh cucumber. It's so delicious. The fish is crispy from the outside, inside is soft and delicious. And it goes so well with the rice and sambal belacan and vegetable. This is really heaven. It's very simple to cook and can be enjoyed by the whole family. If you have tried the recipe, do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked dishes like this. Thank you and bye bye.